Hello, good morning, Priyanka.
Hi, Suvajit. Yep.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Suvajit Dey. I'm the content lead here at Mr. Med. And currently I'm working from Guwahati, Assam. And first up, I would like to thank you for your valuable time that you had given us. If you could just kindly share a little bit about your journey with your ongoing treatment.
All right. Okay, Suvajit. So, I'm Priyanka. I'm based out of Bangalore. And so I have been diagnosed with a couple of ailments in the past 7 years. And it probably, it was 2018 when it all started. And then again, during the COVID time also, I had a few struggles with my health. That's how it is. I'm just keeping up with the medicines that are being given to me by the doctors. So, yeah.
You had shared very kind reviews about Mr. Med, and we thank you for being a valued customer. So would you mind sharing a bit about your experience with, buying medicines online? How was it for you before you discovered Mr. Med, and how has it changed since then?
So, particularly when I moved to Mr. Med, before that, I really have struggled for more than a year, around the pandemic time frame, when there were particular medicine which were not available because the pharmaceutical company themselves have stopped making it apparently, or they were like making it in very small batches or so on. So the particular brand that I was looking, I wasn't getting it anywhere else, anywhere across India. So I had checked through my doctor networks in Delhi. I had checked through my personal networks back in my hometown in Rajasthan, and all couple of more states also. So I wasn't getting it anywhere, and that's when my brother suggested me to order it through Mr. Man, because he was very confident that it's all, I mean, if you're not getting it anywhere, you will get it on Mr. Man, and that's what happened. I'd after my year struggle, when I had to rely on other general medicines and not the I would not say authentic, but yes, I mean, not the brand that I was looking, but from the time that I'm using Mr. Med, I was able to get those medicines. And the I would say the highlight for me why Mr. Med is a go-to place for me always is because of the availability of the medicines. I mean, I know that if I'm not getting it anywhere, I will get it here. And if it is maybe out of stock in a week, maybe it will come next week. So that has been the case. I mean, I keep track of the medicines that I need to order, and I usually get them on time. And Mr. Med has also helped me in some of the cases where I was really late to order something, and then they made sure that it is delivered within the same day, although their SLA was for 2 days. So, those are the few things where which had made me stuck to Mr. Med for so long.
Okay. That's really nice of you to say, Could you also, describe your experience with uploading prescriptions on Mr. Med? Were there any challenges you faced? And if yes, how did you work through them?
So uploading is not a problem. I mean, if I know the medicines, I can just upload the prescription, and then there is no problem. The only little bit I would say where a little bit improvement which can be made is if I'm not able to read the prescription, if I'm not able to read the medicines written in the prescription because of course, the handwriting, if it is manually written, handwritten prescription, in those cases, I just wanted, Mr. Med platform to be a little more friendly to kind of, if I'm uploading that prescription, they should be able to read the handwritten prescription and let me know that which are these medicines, and this is how I can order them on the platform. So that's the only thing. But otherwise, if I know the prescription, or if it is a printed prescription, I don't have any problems.
Okay, and that's a very, I feel that's a very astute observation. I remember in offline pharmacies, that is one experience that we have. And if I provide that with Mr. Med, I think that will be really very good. So thank you for sharing that valuable feedback. And how do you feel about the pricing and delivery process with Mr. Med?
Okay. So costing, I would not say it is lower than the other platforms. Like there are others who are giving quite competitive price. But the only reason that I don't go with them is because of the reliability. I mean, they may show that the medicine is available, but sometimes it has happened that I will order and then I get a message that it's out of stock and they cannot deliver on time. So that reliability factor always comes into picture. Although the costing for Mr. Med, it's not as low as others, but because of the reliability and availability, I think that's something that I can work with.
My next question would be about Mr. Med's customer support. Do you have any, feedback or suggestion or comment on our customer support team?
No, they have been very helpful. The customer support usually has been very helpful. The only case was during this prescription. Probably they also didn't know that how to help in that case. So that's why I faced a little bit of problem, but not a problem. But I'll say, there was a little bit of back and forth. But otherwise, yes. They have been very helpful and very kind. And like I told you earlier, that they were able to arrange a particular injection, which I forgot, and it has to be taken at a particular interval. So they made it arranged within a day of my order, like within few hours after I ordered. So the customer service is really good.
Okay, wow, that is actually nice. And I understand as someone, who is, have an ongoing treatment, I feel that reliability factor is something very important. As a caregiver myself, I can totally relate with that. My next question to you would be about, since I believe your treatment is still continuing, what has changed for you since, you found Mr. Med, and what has been the changes that you have noticed?
Yeah, experience is just that, I'm little relaxed. I have peace of mind. I don't have to run to pharmacy. I don't have to call across the states to see the availability like I've done in the past. So, yeah. So that way, I have a more peace of mind now. I know that, if there is an emergency, I will be able to get the medicine on time.
Okay. And Priyanka, I feel we are towards the end of our, this little chit chat. So lastly, I would like for you to comment on, to share your views on someone who's struggling to get their medicines or is worried about availability and cost. What would you say to someone like that?
If somebody is struggling to get the medicine, I vouch enough for the high standards of the availability which Mr. Med is maintaining. So of course, anybody, I have already recommended it to many who have been looking for certain medicines and they were not able to get it. So that's always been a case. I always recommend you in my circle, my professional circle or my personal circle. So reliability and availability are, I think, the two factors which stand out for Mr. Med compared to the other platforms.
Okay, thank you so much, Priyanka. My last question to you would be, based on the cost-saving aspect, could you sort of have a, estimate around how much have you saved, before, coming to Mr. Med and after? Could you just have a comparison with that?
I don't have an answer which you would like.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yes, so I don't want to make it up, but cost, honestly, it's not much of a difference, and not that I'm tracking it so closely. I'm just saying that on an injection that I used to get it sometimes for 18K also, through certain, here I'm paying 22K, so I'm able, I'm okay to do this as long as I'm getting my medicines on time and what is being.
The trust factor is there.
Yes.
The liability is there.
Right. The cost, I told you the difference, so I cannot really comment on how much I saved, but it's really that if I have ordered, I'll get it. So for now, I think that is enough within this busy schedule where I don't have time to follow up with others. Right, so that saves a lot of time. That's where I was talking about the peace of mind, that I can focus on my other things rather than thinking about where to order the medicines from. So
Okay, thank you, Priyanka, and I wish you all the best. I feel that I feel that you really come out successful and healthy out of this entire ordeal that you're facing. And thank you for your time.